Need for kitchen installation in your homes. Invoking of different designs had been recently introduced through number of fancier designs. Kitchen plays a very important role in the designing of our homes, and they really have a great influence on especially the housewife. If we are living in our homes, then this is only because we have kitchen in our home. You can find a number of appliances that are needed to be fixed in the kitchens. In a kitchen we need to design a lot and more on the equipments that are needed to be installed in the kitchen. Maintaining a kitchen is not a simple fact, but it is a great process which involves different works. These works not only related to making of food. From the process of cutting the vegetables to making the chapatis and washing the utensils, all thus are included in the maintenance of kitchen. You may be a housewife, and to maintain the kitchens we need to design the Surrey kitchen installation to be properly installed in a good range. So if you really want to make the kitchens to be installed properly into your homes so that you can easily be able to handle all the works with a comfortable posture. There are so many works and responsibilities that we have to lead and perform in our home, and that all need to have a good kitchen Surrey installation.